What's up guys, Chris and Daniel Vlogs here, bringing you another vlog. So my sister is talking to my dog. Alright, she's talking to my dog. Anyways, I'm about to show off our fireworks. Can we do that? Can we show off fireworks? Alright, anyways, so yeah, I'll be showcasing our fireworks that we got from the store in an undisclosed location. Anyways, I'll be showing my 2 bags and the bags that other people got. So, it's my bag right here. One of my 2 bags. And it's side. It's little pyro bag. Comes with a lot. It's like $19.75. And flowers. Comes with stuff. Smoke bombs. So those smoke bombs. Those are popper bombs. Pull things. Come with the confetti. We got a few tanks. I'm gonna put some. Can't remember right here because the lighting's not good. Alright, that's it. Source gun. Little rocket. That's big. Yeah, we're gonna use that rum candle. And we're gonna move on to our other bag. This is what it's seal. I bought this with my money. We got Hokey Pokey. Yes, I know. An adult supervision. This comes with a lot of stuff. This is like $23. Because of those poppers. French flower. Huh? Fountain things. The poppers. You line them up. Black hats. Like the M8 somethings. So. Cuckoo. Another one of those fountain things. Yeah. All stuff, little small poppers. Like fountains. Fountain. Another fountain. Pop thing where you pull it and it pops. Another tank. Some flowers. More flowers. Those things that you throw them on the ground, they pop. Little more poppers. So yeah, that's about it. There's a Roman candle somewhere in there. These are my 2 bags right here. Yeah. And this is our other pops. I spent like $200 on all these. I got big bombs. So a thing, you put them in, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of them. So they all go in there and line up pops. And then we have 2 heavy tanks. We got 2 of those. Got jumping jacks. It's gonna focus. All those. Those will probably be mine too. Because we're a big old war. I'll probably be videotaping that. Bottle rockets. 2 mega California torch things. It's like a Roman candle. Right? These are like Roman candles. You light them and it's pa, 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 pa. So they go like fire and crap. We got 2 of those. And we got a mystery bag. Oh, Bobby, did you get the mystery bags?
Yeah, right there.
Where? Anyways, you got, yeah, one over these, one of those. Got more of Lego Pop Rocket. See? These are legal. I'm not gonna show your face because if these are legal, you can use these. Shut up, I have 8 subscribers.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't even know. No, I'm just kidding. I have some, like, it's, yeah, I think I do. Jumping jacks. I actually don't have 8 subscribers, you guys should know. Anyways, we got a lot of these are 1,000 jumping black cats. We got 2 of those. 1,000 packets. Black cats. The little thingamajigs. The things that light and you just go like that with it. You can make legends cup. We got a lot of Roman candles. Look at this magical Roman candle. We got 20 of those. These out of the way. We got the small rockets. Focus, can focus. Focus. Anyways, we got the red ones and yellow. You got a big one. Big one of those. And shotgun. 200 shot. That's about it. We got a few more battle rackets. The machons, as I call them. Call them machons because you light them in the. Are these machons, Mom? Oh shoot.
So don't start opening nothing because our dad didn't get mad.
Okay, sorry. I heard your face a little bit. Machons, as I call them. That's about it. That's all we got for $200. But we did get something for it. Like some more stuff. Also got 2 buckets. We got a lot of stuff. We actually got to compensate things. So if you spend over $100, you get a mystery bag. We spent $200. How much did we spend? 200 and what? 200 and change. I don't know. That means we had some quarters and crap. So we got a mystery bag. As soon as we put the camera down. A mystery bag. Because of mystery stuff. So it could be something different. Oh! These are pretty good. These are like bad. They're gonna be loud. Let's look on some other stuff. Bring it out. We have a lot of stuff. Holy crap! Butterflies welcome spring. Okay, it's like goes up and stuff. Oh, that's gonna be pretty cool. Get some more. Oh, I know. Yeah, these are all poppers. Come with different colors. Blue, red. Yeah, let's get them.
Rick!
Huh?
Leave them in there!
I'm gonna put them back. Oh, we also have black snakes. The poop snakes. Got 2 fountains. They're pulling fireworks. Yes, I love these. 2 black cats for tomorrow. We got 2 machons. Light up sticks. Some of those. That's in the first mystery bag, so that's first mystery bag. We're just gonna climb right here. Get the camera down. Just open it. I'm just gonna open them and see what they're in and put them back.
It's the same thing.
Oh, I see.
It's the same thing, Rick.
Anyways, I can't open them because my mom will get mad. And the same things, just more. So I will be enjoying these tomorrow. So these stuff right here, all this stuff, all that right there is mine, just for me. That's the war we have. Well, I'll be videotaping the war because it's gonna be pretty crazy. Except I can't really get all of them. I'm just gonna get like the beginning, and then I gotta leave. So yeah, that's all I got. I want to see what these are like right here.
I thought he was going to get a voice.
Okay, how about these?
But look at that.
One body.
But put it on the screen, but haven't you recorded it?
Mom, can you open this for me?
No.
Just please open it.
For what? You can't do it in here.
I know, I just want to see it.
Dad's gonna get mad, Christopher. Here, I don't want to do nothing, Chris. Here.
Okay.
Go here.
Oh! Oh, these are... Oh. We need to do these. Alright, so this is me showing off my fireworks. See you guys later.